this problem, we're going to use a tree diagram to answer all the questions. So they surveyed 500 people and they asked, do you eat breakfast? And the results they got were 62% were males that they asked and 38% were females that they asked. And of the males, 58% said they did and 42% said they didn't. And for the females, 40% said they did and 60% said they didn't. So they ask a series of questions. First, part A, how many males are in the survey? Well, 62% of the people surveyed were males, so you basically have to do 62% of 500. When you say the word of in your head, think of multiplication. So you have to do 0.62 times 500, and I believe you get 310. Okay, so how many females are there? Well, you just have to do the 500 minus the 310, right? That tells you that there's 190. Okay, now they're asking how many males eat breakfast. Well, we know that there's 310 males, and we know from our tree diagram that 58% say they do eat breakfast. So you just have to do 0.58 times that 310 that we got from part A. And I believe that is 179.8, so we're going to round that to 180. Okay. How many females don't eat breakfast? Well, we have 190 females, and 60% of them said that they don't eat breakfast. So you have to do 0.6 times 190, and I think you get 114. And finally, we get a probability question. What's the probability that if we threw all these 500 people in a hat, selected one out, what's the probability you end up picking a female who does not eat breakfast? Well, we figured out that there was 114 females who don't eat breakfast out of the 500 people that were surveyed. And when you do that on your calculator, you get 0.23. So about 23% chance you get a female who doesn't eat breakfast. So I hope that helps. It's a good example of tree diagrams.